Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement center console lid kit with latch that fits a variety of GMC and Chevy vehicles from 2007 to 2014. So included with the kit is the replacement lid here with the replacement latch here, as well as the installation instructions. Now this lid is a direct replacement for the factory part. You're gonna simply follow the instructions. You're gonna remove the factory piece, reinstall the new piece. It uses a synthetic vinyl that's more durable than leather, and it comes with the latch pre-installed, which keeps the lid closed. This has a tendency to break on a lot of the factory vehicles, so we include the latch. And again, direct replacement. It has all the factory screw holes on the bottom, and shouldn't take you more than about 15 to 30 minutes to install with basic hand tools.